9 out of 10 drivers are quietly draining money into their cars, and they don't even realize it. Here's the crazy part. Just one of these simple tricks could save you thousands in repairs and add years to your vehicle's life. Most people miss them completely. So before you end up overpaying at the shop again, here are 15 car hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Let's get into it. Hack number 15, the soda rust eraser. Surface rust is like a cancer for your car. If you don't stop it early, it will eventually eat through the structural metal. Now, a body shop will quote you anywhere from $200 to $500 to sand, treat, and repaint these spots. But before you open your wallet, open your fridge. Grab a bottle of classic Coca-Cola. Why? Because it contains phosphoric acid, the exact same active ingredient found in professional-grade rust converters. Pour it on the rusted area and let it dwell for 10 minutes. Use a crumpled piece of aluminum foil, which is harder than rust but softer than your car's steel, to scrub the area. The chemical reaction dissolves the iron oxide right before your eyes. You're getting professional chemical remediation for the price of a vending machine snack. Why pay for the pro label when you can buy the chemistry for $2? Hack number 14, the rim shine trick. Brake dust isn't just dirt, it's a caustic cocktail of carbon fibers and hot metallic shavings that literally bite into your wheel's finish. Once it bakes on, standard soap won't touch it. A detailer will charge you $60 to restore those rims, but the secret is likely sitting on your workbench, WD-40. The WD stands for water displacement, but it's the petroleum-based solvent that's the hero here. It breaks the static bond between the brake dust and your clear coat. Spray it on, let it sit for 30 seconds, and the grime will slide off with a simple wipe. The best part, it leaves a microscopic protective barrier that actually repels future dust. You're not just cleaning, you're pre-detailing for the next month. Hack number 13, the battery saver secret. If your car is struggling to crank, a mechanic might tell you the battery is failing and charge you $200 for a replacement. But here is what they often overlook: contact resistance. That white or blue fuzz on your terminals is lead sulfate. It acts like an insulator, preventing the electricity from actually reaching your starter. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda in warm water and pour it over the terminals. The violent fizzing you see is the alkaline soda neutralizing the battery acid. Scrub it with an old toothbrush, and suddenly your dead battery has a direct line to the engine again. You didn't need a new battery, you just needed to let the one you have actually do its job. Hack number 12, the wiper blade fix. Wiper blades don't usually fail because the rubber is gone, they fail because the rubber is contaminated. Road oils and wax from car washes create a film that causes skipping and streaking. Most shops will just toss them and charge you $50 for a new pair. Instead, take a cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol and run it down the edge of the blade. You'll see a thick black residue come off. That's the oxidized rubber and road filth that was causing the streaks. This exposes fresh rubber, restoring that factory clean wipe instantly. It takes 30 seconds and can double the life of your blades. When was the last time a $3 bottle of alcohol saved you $50? Hack number 11, the air filter check. This is the oldest trick in the book. A mechanic pulls out your air filter, shows you a bit of dust, and asks for $60 to replace it. Here's the contrast. At a parts store, that filter is $15. On almost every modern car, the air filter box is held on by simple clips or 2 screws. It is quite literally a plug-and-play component. By doing this yourself, you aren't just saving $45 in labor, you're ensuring that a technician isn't rushing the job and potentially stripping those clips. If you can change a vacuum cleaner bag, you can do this. Hack number 10, the coolant flush routine. Overheating is a silent engine killer, often caused by spent coolant that is turned acidic. Shops make a coolant flush sound like a surgical procedure requiring expensive machinery. In reality, most cars have a drain plug at the bottom of the radiator. Draining the old fluid and refilling it with a 50-50 mix of fresh coolant is something you can do in your driveway with a basic drain pan. This prevents the sludge that eventually clogs your heater core and kills your water pump. Do this every 2 years and you'll likely never have to pay for a $1,000 cooling system overhaul. Hack number 9, the fuel grade reality check. Are you buying premium gas because you think it's cleaner? If so, you're falling for a multi-billion-dollar marketing myth. Octane is not a measure of energy, it's a measure of stability. Unless your car is turbocharged or high performance, your engine is tuned for 87 octane. Using 93 doesn't give you more power, it just means the fuel is harder to ignite, which provides zero benefit in a standard engine. Check your fuel door. If it says recommended, not required, switch to regular today. You'll save $300 to $500 a year with absolutely zero loss in performance. Hack number 8, the spark plug swap. When your car idles rough, shops love to sell tune-up packages that cost hundreds, but a spark plug is just a bolt with an electrode. With a $15 spark plug socket, you can replace these yourself, one by one. Modern iridium plugs are built to last, but they eventually gap out, killing your fuel economy. Replacing them on your own terms restores your engine's snap and can improve your MPG by as much as 30%. It's the most satisfying DIY job you can do to feel the immediate difference in how your car drives. Hack number 7, the door seal protector. Your car's weather stripping is what keeps the wind noise out and the dry air in, but UV rays and heat dry that rubber out until it cracks. Replacing these seals can cost $400 per door. The human expert fix? Petroleum jelly. Wiping a thin layer of Vaseline onto your door seals once a year keeps them supple and plump, ensuring an airtight seal. It also prevents your doors from freezing shut in the winter. It's a $3 solution to an $800 problem. Hack number 6, the sunroof drain rescue. If you see water on your floorboards after a rain, don't assume your sunroof is broken. Sunroofs aren't actually waterproof, they rely on 4 hidden drain tubes in the corners to channel water away. When these get clogged with leaves or dust, the water backs up into your headliner. Take a piece of plastic trimmer line, weed whacker string, and gently feed it through the drain holes. It clears the blockage instantly. This 10-minute task prevents thousands in mold remediation and electrical damage that shops love to charge for. Hack number 5, the belt squeal eliminator. That screech when you start your car is usually a serpentine belt that has become glazed or slippery. A shop will tell you it's worn out and charge you $150, but often it just needs a little surface conditioning. A quick puff of WD-40 or a dedicated belt dressing on the ribbed side while the engine is running, be careful, can silence the noise. If the noise stays gone, your belt is fine. If it comes back, then you know it's time for a replacement. It's the ultimate lie detector for mechanical diagnoses. Hack number 4, the silent door treatment. If your doors creak like a 100-year-old house, don't pay for a lubrication service, use silicone spray. Unlike oil, silicone doesn't attract dirt or grit, which can actually grind down your hinges over time. Spray your hinges, your hood latches, and your trunk rollers. It makes the car feel 5 years newer instantly. It's the difference between a car that feels rattly and one that feels solid. Hack number 3, the paint perfection method. Does your paint feel rough like sandpaper even after a wash? That's industrial fallout bonded to the clear coat. A detailer will charge $300 for a clay bar service. You can buy a clay bar kit for $20. You simply glide the clay over the wet paint and it plucks the contaminants out of the pores. When you're done, your hand will slide off the hood like it's made of glass. This is the secret to a professional shine that no automated car wash can ever achieve. Hack number 2, the brake fluid refresh. Brake fluid absorbs water from the air. When that water gets hot, it turns to steam, making your brakes feel spongy and dangerous. You don't need a full brake bleed every year. Use a clean turkey baster to suck the old fluid out of the reservoir and top it off with fresh fluid. If you do this every few months, you are gradually introducing fresh chemistry into the system without ever having to touch a wrench or open a bleeder valve. It's the low-effort way to ensure your car actually stops when you need it to. Hack number 1, the AC longevity secret. The most expensive oops in car ownership is a dead AC compressor, $1,200 plus. Most people leave their AC on when they kill the engine. When you start the car the next morning, the battery has to struggle to turn the engine and the high-pressure AC compressor at the same time. The habit is to turn your AC off 30 seconds before you reach your destination, but keep the fan running. This dries out the moisture in the vents, preventing that moldy smell, and ensures your next startup is easy on your battery and your compressor. It's a zero-cost habit that can double the life of your entire climate control system. How many of these were you already doing? If you learned just one thing that keeps your car out of the shop, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that this kind of unfiltered car advice is actually valuable.